GM has announced a $4 billion investment in 3 U.S. facilities, disclosing plans for the 2027 Bolt EV, another cheap EV, and a new gas-powered Blazer. GM announced that it will invest approximately $4 billion in 3 factories over the next 2 years, expanding manufacturing of both gas-powered and electric vehicles in the United States. One of the facilities getting a makeover will be the Fairfax Assembly facility in Kansas City, Kansas, which GM says will start building the 2027 Chevy Bolt EV by the end of the year. There were no additional specifics released regarding the next iteration of the Bolt, but we expect it to remain a tall subcompact hatchback, while it could also be positioned as a subcompact SUV, similar to the previous generation's EUV type. The timing seemed odd, as a 2027 model year car would not generally go on sale until around halfway through 2026. Regardless, we should see a full reveal of the next generation Bolt within the next few months. The Bolt isn't the only new model that Fairfax is planning. The gas-powered Equinox SUV is currently constructed at GM's San Luis Potosi factory in Mexico, but the firm will complement existing production by assembling it in Fairfax starting in mid-2027. GM also stated that it intends to make additional investments in the Fairfax site to manufacture a next-generation, quote, affordable EV. It's unclear how this EV will compare against the Bolt, which we expect to remain priced around $30,000.